Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play with friends on chess.com. So you have to learn the basics of setting up a match and how to send an invite. So make sure to watch this video. First of all, just open up the application here, chess.com, and then simply tap on this play button in the bottom. And then tap on where it says play a friend, tap on it, and now you have a couple of different options to play with friends. You can create and send a challenge link, and you can select the type of match you want to play. You can select the time and type. Once you have done that, tap on this create link at the bottom. And then you can copy the link and you can send it to anyone, or you can tap on this share button to directly share through the apps like this. The second way is to find friends. You can connect your Facebook account or search through the contacts on your phone to find people to play chess with. If they are online, you can send challenge request. If you want to help a friend join chess.com so that you can play together, you can tap on this send invite and you can send them the invitation link to sign up for chess.com. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.